Wow, y'all. Hey, it's your girl Pretty Brown Ashley. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Please hit the subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, welcome to this channel. Yesterday I did a super defined mini twist on my hair. I slept on it, y'all, so it's looking a little bit, you know, dry, but we gonna fix that. Today I'm here to do a super defined twist out on my type 4 hair. I'm here to show you the results. So let's get into it, okay? I'm gonna put some oil on my twists before I take them out because I do want them to have that shine. I am going to manipulate my hair, you know, after putting this oil in it. So let's put the oil in it. Let's start taking these twists out. So I'm excited because this is my first time doing mini twists on my hair. So I'm definitely excited, you guys. Okay. Wow, y'all. So if you guys didn't see my mini twist video that I made yesterday, there will be a link for you to click in the description and at the end of this video. There'll also be a subscribe button for you to press down below. So this is so defined, you guys, and I actually use aloe vera mixed with the castor oil and coconut oil. So, oh my goodness, this is looking good. I would have did my makeup for y'all, you know, to make this look more presentable, but since we've been in quarantine, y'all, I'm running out of everything. Me and my husband, we only been shopping for like essential stuff like food, tissue paper, and stuff like that. So at least I got some earrings, you know. I'm excited, y'all. I don't know, I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit more, y'all. Y'all, so definitely take this out from ends to root, because if you don't, you will end up messing, you will end up ripping your hair. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, like, okay. Okay, so let's see. How can I lay this down? I'm really trying to play with it, y'all. Grab some gel, processed gel. This stuff does not work. I just got it at the dollar store. I'm gonna just be using this gel for video purposes, but y'all, I need some edge booster. Like, I'm literally out of makeup, hair products. Like, the hair store is closed. I don't think, excuse me, I don't think it's that serious to buy hair products online. So, I mean, I ain't going nowhere, so I'm just gonna use this gel that I got from the dollar store and make that work. That's a big swoop, y'all. Comment below, like, what other videos you guys want me to do. Comment below. This is how the back is looking. I gotta make it more defined in the back. So what I'm doing is taking the pick and I'm actually going at the roots just to fluff it out more, add some volume, add some cushion for the pushing. Let me see the back. The back definitely needs some work. Put my fingers at the roots. You can also use your fingers at the roots, guys, or ladies. You use your fingers at the roots, actually. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more baby hair because baby hair always does the job. I feel like it depends on how much you use and how you do it. Should I do a middle part though? Maybe a middle part would be better. Starting to look like a lace front, y'all. Hold on. Hey, this is what I'm gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna actually put some gel in the front because obviously the first hairstyle wasn't working and I need a good thumbnail. So I'm gonna put some gel. Oh, yes, honey. I need to, yes, definitely do this, y'all. If you have trouble with your twist out, just I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, this is my first time ever doing a natural twist out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'm out.